Hello students, so let's continue the explanation of the chapter the French Revolution. Now we'll start from the heading the outbreak of the revolution. So in France the monarch didn't have the power to impose taxes. They had to call a meeting of the Estate General, a political body. Estate General क्या है? एक political body है to which the three estates sent their representatives to pass the proposal for the new taxes. Now Louis XVI on May 1789 called an assembly to pass proposal for the new taxes. Representatives from the first and the second estates were present, and the third estate was represented by the prosperous and the educated members. According to the principle, each state had one vote, but representatives from the third estate demanded each member would have one vote. The demand was rejected, so members of the third state walked out to protest. So they swore not to disperse till a constitution drafted for France that would limit the powers of the monarch. So due to the severe winter, bread price rose and the people had to spend hours in long queues. Rumors spread that the lords of the manor hired bands of the brigands to destroy the ripe crops. रूमर्स क्या फैल गए कि जो लॉर्ड्स हैं मीन जो ज़मींदार जैसे हम लोगों के यहाँ होते थे उस तरीके से जो है वहाँ पर उन लोगों ने लोगों को हायर किया है जो कि पकी हुई फसलों को बर्बाद कर देंगे और उससे किसान परेशान होंगे ज़ाहिर है. The peasants started looting hoarded grain and burnt down documents containing records of the manorial dues. Nobles fled from their homes, and the Louis XVI accorded recognition to the National Assembly and accepted the principle that his powers would from now on be checked by a constitution. The Assembly passed a decree abolishing the feudal system of the obligations and taxes on 4th August 1789. Debts were abolished and the land owned by the church were confiscated. जितने भी अनवांटेड टैक्सेस थे उनको रिमूव कर दिया गया और जो मैक्सिमम चर्च की कंट्रोल में लैंड रहता था उसको भी रिलीज़ कर दिया गया. Now France became a constitutional monarchy. Now the France have the constitution, but with the monarchy. In 1791, the National Assembly completed the draft of the constitution, and its main object was to limit the powers of the monarch. These powers were now separated and assigned to different situations, to different institutions. These institutions are the legislature, executive, and the judiciary. France became a constitutional monarchy. So what does it mean? Monarch was there, monarch ruled over there, but they follow the constitution. Citizens voted for a group of electors who in turn choose the assembly, but unfortunately not every citizen had the right to vote. Men above 25 years of age who paid taxes equal to at least 3 days of a labor's wage were entitled to vote. The constitution began with the declaration of the rights of man and citizen rights such as the right to life, freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, equality before law were established as natural rights. As you can see, they have established the natural right. That is, what is this? That is, they belong to each human being by birth and could not be taken away. France abolished monarchy and became a republic. Now there is another change in this. This is in April 1792, the National Assembly voted for a war against Prussia and Austria. While men were away fighting in the war, women took care of their families. Large section of the population demanded that the revolution had to be carried further. As the Constitution of 1791 gave political rights only to the richer section of the society, political clubs were formed, and among them Jacobin became the most successful club. Members of the Jacobin Club included small shopkeepers, artisans such as the shoemakers, pastry cooks, watchmakers, printers, as well as the servants and the daily wage workers. Jacobin members started wearing long striped trousers similar to those worn by the dock workers. These Jacobins were called the sans culottes, literally meaning those without knee breeches. एक्चुअली व्हाट इज़ द पर्पस, वो उन्होंने इस तरह का एक अपना अटायर बनाया, एक कपड़ा यूनिफॉर्म एक बनाया जो कि जो वहाँ के मेन रूलर्स थे उनकी ड्रेसेस से अलग था, ख़ुद को डिफरेंट दिखाने के लिए। हम आप लोगों से अलग हैं। आपको आपकी बुक में इसकी पिक्चर भी मिलेगी। So on August 10, 1792, Jacobins stormed the palace and held the king hostage for the several hours. Elections were held and all men of the 21 years and above got the right to vote. Monarchy was abolished in 21 September 1792 and France was declared a republic. Louis XVI was sentenced to death by the court on the charge of the treason. So that's it for now, students. I'll start with the heading, the Reign of Terror.